In this video, I'm going to show you how to export all of your ChatGPT data. So basically all your conversations, your informations and all stuff. All right. So the first step is we want to go to our profile in bottom left corner. Then we want to go to settings. And now we want to go to data controls. And from here you have option to export data. So if you click on export, your account details and chat will be included in the export. You can read through this and it's going to send the link, a download link for the file to your email. Then you want to click on confirm export, right? So now we want to go to email after this. And then in your email, if you open it, your data export has started. You just have to wait for it and it can take some few days and then they will notify you when it's ready and then you can download it again from another email. Alright, so if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.